Hey, JB here. Excited you're with me and welcome to the channel. As I always say, this is more of a community than a channel. And today we're going to get into that because we're going to go over why I'm losing money. Yes, I'm losing money on YouTube and I'm okay with it. So let's get into it. Okay, if you haven't met me before, my name is JB Glossinger, and this is a channel that was really built around tech. And I'm going to let you in the back end of YouTube to see how much money do I really make with 16,000 subscribers. And here we are in August. What's going on with this channel? So let's go ahead and jump in the computer and go over some of the analytics, and then I'm going to explain why I'm okay with the channel actually decelerating and accelerating, and why I'm actually happy with what's going on. So let's go ahead and jump in the computer. Okay, so here we are. We can see we're down $200 in revenue a month as this channel is what's going on with the channel. We're down 200 less subscribers than usual. Watch time, everything is down. And obviously one of those reasons is because I didn't produce a lot of videos. I was in Indiana, but still there are some other reasons for this, okay? So our reach is okay. Our engagement is still, okay. But when I go into audience, this is what's so important to me. When we look at what's going on down here in this subscriber bell notification, this is the most important thing. So it's not about subscribers, it's more about views. That's really what YouTube's about. But you need people that are really subscribed to you. So here we can see subscribers that turn on all notifications. We're down. We only have 1.4 thousand people, which is still great. I'm happy with the number, but it's not the typical YouTube in the YouTube area. But here's what's exciting. Subscribers who turned on all notifications for your channel and enabled YouTube notifications are between 5 and 20%. We're on the low end at 842 people. And what that means is if you come into a video, at the bottom of this video, you can subscribe, right? But then on this other side is the alert bell. And when you turn on all notifications, that's when you are really subscribed to a channel and you're going to get all the notifications that are coming in. If you subscribe to none, you're not going to get any notifications. So I'm trying to build a channel not around tech, but more around the community and doing more things like my last video dealing with darkness. And I want to go into the video analytics of this and show you why I'm kind of excited about this and what's cool. So here we had 8 new subscribers from this. And why I like that is because these subscribers are not people that are here just for a e-ink device or how to buy an e-ink device. They are literally subscribers that are going to be coming back and watching content that I'm doing about things outside of tech. And again, the estimated revenue is a couple bucks. So it's not a lot of money to do that video, but that's not why I'm doing it. And I think this is what's so critical, my motivation within the channel. When we go to the analytics of the channel, let's just go to TubeBuddy. You can see we've had 2.2 million views. We had 16.5K subscribers. Now where this is coming from is when I go into our content, you're going to see that the majority of videos, and this is what got me motivated to do YouTube, was these Remarkable 2 videos. As you can see, the view count's 211,000, 165,000, 82,000. I mean, this video alone, let's just click on this one and look at the analytics. Let me spit that out. This video made $1,000, which is pretty cool. And people are actually watching it right now as we speak. And it's not one of my better videos, but it made $1,000. So here is the point about all this in this video. I'm okay with this. I'm okay with the revenue down because what's happening is if we go to my content, let me just go to my videos here. Let's go to content. And we look at the latest videos. Let's go by, or let me go into just my channel. If we go into my latest videos, let's see if I can find this. You're going to find that the videos are getting 618 views, non-Remarkable 2. Here's a Quirk Logic paper update, got 753. This is a Remarkable 2 video, 1,400. But here's a vlog that got 1,000. Here's my Mazatlan Book of the Fallen, got 600. So what's happening is that as I'm starting to transition this channel, I'm starting to get people that are really based on the community and not here just to buy a product. As you can see, like I said, those are comments. So if I go back, and here you go. See, here's a good one. Been grounded in humble helps in dark times. Keep up the good work, mate. So that's somebody new that's coming in that is seeing, a different type of video. And you can see the comments and the likes are huge in those. So 84 likes, 58 comments, right? And so we're getting more. Here you go. The Muslim book, 56 likes, 100% likes. So what I'm saying is YouTube is a weird thing, okay, as we come out of the computer. YouTube is a weird thing. Like, one is you can build it to try to generate revenue, and you can do that as quick and fast as you can by picking keywords up, like the Remarkable 2, and then just hammering it. And I did that a little bit. But it was doing it kind of soullessly. Like, I wasn't really building community, right? The other way to do it is to start to build a real community around videos that people want to watch, that connect with you, and not based on just a how-to or a purchase. And to me, over the long term, that's really how you got to build the channel. Because like you can see my channel, I'm losing money because other people now have this device. I was one of the first people that had it, and it created a lot of movement in the market. And yes, I still love e-ink, and I'm going to do videos. But there's no long-term stability in building a quote-unquote YouTube business based around a couple devices. You could build it around the whole ink industry, but that's not I don't want to produce a ton of videos about that. I can't. I can't produce 200 videos about ink. I just don't know what I would be producing, right? So my focus then with this channel is to build community and find people that enjoy different types of content. So I'm okay with losing money because, one, it's getting people to understand me more and realize that what I really teach is about people that are in business and are looking for more lifestyle. That's my big clients that I have on my coaching side and with Morning Coach are people that have a business existing and they're saying, gosh, I'm working too hard, I need more lifestyle help. And then other people that I work with are people that are looking for lifestyle businesses that want to do things differently, sort of like YouTube and building a revenue around something like this. So again, I'm testing and having fun, and I want you to be a part of the journey as we go along this kind of YouTube path and watch to see if we can build some significant income, but not around specific keywords, but around energy and around doing things in a way that we create community and get people to start subscribing and hit the notifications because they want to be entertained and they want energy, not because they want to find out a tip about the Remarkable 2 or if they should buy this or not. And so that's the change that I'm going towards. And I would love your comments below because my job is I have to do 3 to 5 videos a week that are really going to produce valuable content. And again, I may do some vlogs. There has to be some entertainment. There has to be some energy. There has to be topics that we're going to talk about and have some fun here. But it's really about creating content that's engaging and fun and community-based, again, than just a channel where people are coming to buy things. I hope that makes sense, and I would love to hear your comments below. I'm okay losing money if it makes sense and we can connect with the right people. And ultimately, that's why I'm doing this anyways. I get a couple coaching clients as I've had. That's where the real money is generated. But it would be nice to see this start to take off because I can reinvest in the channel as it goes. But I want to do it the right way, and I want to be tactical, and I want to do it with the right people. And I believe I'm on the right path, but would love to hear from you in the comments. What do you think? As always, thanks for watching to the end here. I really appreciate your participation. And I'm being honest that I believe we have the best subscribers in the world, and you can see that by the comments. And I also feel that we're really starting to create some connection. And that's really what it's about. So let's go have a fantastic day as always. Until the next video, love to see you. And I would love to hear your comments below. What are some of the things that interest you that are a little bit different? Because e-ink is great, productivity is great. That's kind of where I'm at, but it's not what I do. And so I'm going to start bringing more what I do and more the life that I live, playing golf every day and how I've been able to build this so that I can help you really have some good energy. And that's really what it's about. Okay? So thanks so much for watching. Go have a fantastic day as always, and I'll see you in the next video.